getting ready here. We are leaving from Bangalore to Bangalore airport. So guys, we reached to Bangalore airport. This is our luggage. Shamelessly, more people have came to drop us. This is Harsha Anna, foreigner. You can see him full. So guys, this is Bangalore airport inside. We have reached here around 2 o'clock. That's the reason it is quite. See, boarding has already started. Everybody is standing in a queue. And this shameless group here, they are not even moving. Huh? Bye-bye to Bangalore. So these people are not allowed in the bus one because that was overfull. I don't know. The flight, we can see the flight, we can walk there, but Air Asia people are saying don't take effort. See our bus, it is very beautiful, very nice, electric vehicle. This is zero carbon emission bus. So you are boarding on journey of Sikkim. This is our flight for Bagdogra from Bengaluru airport. It's not that big. So this is our family. Here we are starting the Sikkim tour.
Hi.
So guys, we have landed at Bagdogra airport.
Dear guests, welcome to Bagdogra airport. For your safety, please remain seated and usage of mobile phone is now permitted.
So we have landed at Bagdogra airport in West Bengal. From here, Sikkim tour will be another 3.5 hours, if I'm not wrong. So this is Vishwajit Bhaiya. He's taking us from Bagdogra airport to Gangtok. So friends, अभी Gangtok के रूट पे हैं हम. बगडोगरा से जा रहे हैं, तो सिटी के बाहर आने के बाद भैया ने बताया एक फॉरेस्ट में एंट्री करते हैं, उसी का ये रूट है. So guys, we have reached to this hotel Daksha Tarayana Grand, around 3 kilometers from main Gangtok city. Hotel looks fine, environment is cool. This is our hotel. Puni mama, you come.
So we are moving towards our room. So this is the room. Can you see? The ambience is really good, really nice. See the beautiful view from the hotel. You can see the mountains from here. It's completely clean. That's all.